Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off suppress everyone in here on your account on Discord, on your server, on notification settings, easy and quick. First click here, now click notifications, and here as you see you will find suppress everyone in here. Click on it like this and it will be turned off. That's it. That's how to turn off suppress everyone in here on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.